Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to utilize the Zotero Reference Manager, especially for beginners. If you find the information valuable, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Without further ado, let us begin. Zotero is a free and open source reference manager compatible with Mac, Windows, and Linux operating system. So to download and install Zotero, the first thing what you are going to do, visit the Zotero website at www.zotero.org. Then after that, download Zotero. Look for the download button on the home page, then click on it to start the download process. Zotero is available for Mac, Windows, and Linux, so make sure to select the appropriate version of your operating system. My operating system is Windows, so I will choose the Windows version of this software. Then after that, install Zotero. Once the download is complete, locate the downloading file, usually in your download folder. So let us open it, the folder from the IDM downloader. Then after that, you can double click on it, otherwise right click on it and run as administrator to start the installation process. Then the next step will be following the installation instructions. Installation wizard will guide you through the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, which typically involve agreeing to the terms of service, selecting installation operations, and choosing the installation directory. Then after that, finally, the installation process will complete the installation. After following the prompts and completing the installation process, Zotero should be installed on your computer. So as shown here, we completed the first installation process, which is Zotero Reference Manager. So at this stage, I recommend installing the Zotero connector for your web browser. So to install the Zotero connector, which is a web browser extension that allows you to save sources from the web to your Zotero library, such as journal articles, books, and other references. So the connector is compatible with all major web browsers. So to install the Zotero connector, there just visit the Zotero website, go to official Zotero website, www.zotero.org, then navigate to the download page and select your browser. In my case, it is Chrome. As I said before, it can be Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Then after that, click on the browse icon, then install the extension. After installation is complete, you may need to confirm by clicking add extension or similar buttons. In this case, add extension. Then after that, verify installation process. Once installed, you should see the Zotero icon added to your browser toolbar or extension menu. As is shown here, this one is the icon for Zotero connector icon is shown here. As is shown. Then after that, we'll move to the next stage. Now we successfully installed both Zotero Reference Manager on our desktop and Zotero connector to our web browser. So now we'll go to the Zotero interface. Once Zotero and Zotero connector are installed, you'll notice a new tab in Microsoft Word labeled Zotero, as is shown here. This tab allows you to access various features of Zotero directly within Word, such as adding and editing citation, add and edit bibliography, and managing your Zotero library. Now I'll show you how to add references to our Zotero library. As it is shown here, nothing is there. It is empty. All library, my publications, duplicate items, trash, all these are empty. There are 4 methods to import references. The first one, import using the web importer Zotero connector. We already installed this Zotero connector previously, so we'll see how to use this one to import into this library. So the first thing, you have to open both your browser and your Zotero connector. Both must be active. Let me search a journal as an example, metal forming, like this. Click the journal or the article what you want. In this case, expert system for metal forming. Click there. Then this is the journal. Automatically it will start fetching. It will take the information from this journal. Assume this is one of my references, so it will take the information from this journal article. So if you click here, it is having the data about this journal article. So when you open automatically this one, Zotero, it will export it. You see, it is already export in the Zotero library. So if you see the details, you see here, it is journal article and it is titled Expert System for Metal Forming. So the abstract and the authors are there. So all the details will be there. So you can refer it. All the details here will be mentioned. Let us search another paper also. Let us search another paper like journal metals. Then we'll find, let's go here. It is an open source, so it will fetch the data and it will take the information from this journal. As it is shown, a number of articles are there. Then you can take any one of these articles, 5 articles, then okay. Then it will take these articles here in my library. It will take some time to fetch, you see, but it will bring all these 5 references here. As it is shown here, you see there is a sign of this PDF, which means that it is the PDF file also available. You see the PDF file also available. So if you want to open it, it is possible to open this file. So if you see, but this one is, if there is a blue painted spot thing, which means the PDF version is not available. You can also import saved PDFs. As an example, let me show you this one. You see in my desktop there is this article 27. So if I want to import this one to my Zotero library, just drag it and put it like this. You see now, article 27, it is there. So you can use this method, just drag and drop like this. This also another article, I can drag it and drop it like this. You see this one. So let us open this one, article 27 here. Optimization of surface roughness. Here, it is here now. It is keep them based on alphabetical order, A, B, C, D, E, then F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, you see? Oh, so it will take this article optimization here, so we'll open it here. You see, optimization of surface roughness. You can also add references manually. It is a time-taking process. I will not advise it, but you can also add by using manually. Like this, click here and choose whether it is journal, book, or something. Then I want to make it. I want to cite a journal article. So you can give your, as an example, let us open this one and optimization like this. You can add all the details like this manually, and you see now you can write the abstract like this, and also volume. You can write the volume, page number, like this. You can write all the details like this, which we call it manual method. So let us change this one to identify from these titles. Let us modify this one, quality, like this. Then you see them quality thing. So you see quality of surface roughness and metal. You can manually import your references like this. The last one we'll see is adding references by identifier. This one, add items by identifier. Each journal has its own identifier. As an example, let us search paper advanced in metal forming. Assume this one. Let us search by using this identifier DOI number as an example. It is one of the identifier methods to identify each journal. There is DOI number is one of the methods. So you can paste the DOI number and search for it. It will automatically bring the paper here. You see, it is already at the paper. Let us check the title, what it says. Advanced in metal forming process. So you see, this is a paper advanced in metal forming process. It is journal article and all the details are available here. So by using this identifier, you can bring all the journals what you want. So you can search the journal like this, open it, then after that you see this one is a identifier like this. Copy the DOI number of this journal article, then here paste the identifier DOI number, then search for it. Then it will bring the journal here. So let us see optimization of metal forming process. You can go here and optimization of metal forming process. So you can check the author. So you can check it here, optimization of metal forming process, Antonio et al. So you can go here and check the name, Antonio et al. So by identifier, you can also import references. So let us see some pointers here. This is my publication and this is my library. So you can organize your library like this. To organize your library, you can make your own folders. So you can go here like this, new collection. Otherwise you can go to library, right click and choose new collection. So you can go here, new collection. So project one, you can make it like this and it will create like this. Otherwise you can also here and create collection and project 2. So if you have project 1, like you can rename it like journal 1 like this, or you can also rename this one journal 2. So like this. Then after that, this is my library. If you want to bring some of these items to your journal 1, you can paste them like this. You can drag them and drop them here. You see now, if you open it, you'll find these 3 items in journal 1. In journal 2, it is empty just right now. If you want to drag and drop some of the articles which are significant for journal 2, you can drop them here. You can drop them here. You see now, journal 2 has 3 articles. So you can create and organize your library just like this way. The other thing, if you have publications, you can add your publications here. If there are some duplicated items, it will create like this. As an example, if I duplicate some of the items, let me show you. Like if I duplicate this one, you can duplicate item, it will show me there also. You see, These are the items duplicated, repeated, which means, so you can choose them like this, this one and this one, the same items. Then after that, if you want to remove this duplication, you can merge them like this. See, now it will be single and it will be displayed in the library. Merge them. So in the library section now, there is no any duplicated item. No duplicated item here. The other thing, if you delete the item, just like move to trash like this, you will find this in this area. You see, these are the trash items deleted from there. Then it will be here. Unfilled items, which means these items are not categorized. They are not found in journal one. So an example, journal one has hydrogen induced and investigation the thermal, so you'll not find these articles in this unfilled items. You see, so the next thing will be how to insert text citations and bibliography. So to do that, we already installed Zotero connector here, so it is possible to add edit citations, add edit bibliography. Then after that, click displays like this, then add edit citation. So you can choose your citation style. As an example, if you want to use American Psychological Association like this 7th edition, you have to click there and you have to choose OK. Then after that, click there again. Then it will bring this big A. What you are going to do, the simplest way is just click this one and go to classic view and choose your items from this, the items what you want to cite. So if I want it is journal 1, click there, open it and choose this one. If you want to cite this article, just click there and then OK. You see now it is cited based on American Psychological Association 7th edition method of citation. It will cite your paper like this. The other thing, if you want more another paper also, you can go there and you can choose classic view, then choose your article, the second one. Then you can choose, you can cite it like this. So the other method of citation, you can also cite it by searching like this. As an example, you can write. See, when you start writing, it will bring list of references based on your input here. Advances in metal forming process. So you can choose this one, then after that enter. You see, it is listed like this. So the other thing, if you want to change the reference style, you can go here, document preferences, click there. It will bring this option, and if you want to change it into some other style, you can choose any one of this style. So an example, I want to change it into IAE style, then click OK. See, it will automatically change it into IAE style referencing system. You see here like this, and you see here like this. So let me tell you one more thing, that it is well known that different journal articles will have their own formatting style. So assume there is one specific journal, so you are planning to submit your manuscript to that journal. So what you are going to do, go here, document preferences, and go to manage style. Document preferences, manage style, then go to get additional style. Then you may find your specific journal from this list of journals. Assume that you are planning to submit your manuscript to the SAS applied nanomaterials. Click there, SAS applied nanomaterials, then OK. You see now it is changed based on this reference style. The other one, you can create bibliography here. You can your bibliography, just you have to go here and add bibliography, it will automatically generate your bibliography based on the chosen reference style, which is IAE style. If you change the style of the bibliography like this, you see it is based on American Psychological Association 7th edition, so it looks like this one. You can also generate bibliography just by dragging and dropping these references into any word processor like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. So let me show you. This is a Word document. I want to insert the bibliography here. So what you are going to do, just select all this one and drag it like this, you see now, and drop it here. You see all the bibliographies are listed here, so you can use this method also to generate the bibliography easily. So the other thing maybe you can ask is that how to remove this attachment. You see this one, there is some attachment, so you have to remove this one. Just click this one, then you have to go here and choose unlinked citation. You see now it is now normal citation. Here also you see there is no link. So if we undo it like this, there is an attachment, it is linked. So this one also the same thing, it is linked. So if we unlink it, it will display like this, which means remove field codes will prevent Zotero from updating citations and bibliography in this document. So no more updating. After finishing, you can do this one. Now let me show one important thing. As it is shown here, this is only we insert a single reference, but if you want to insert multiple reference, what you are going to do? So the same procedure you are going to follow. Go here, Zotero, then here add edit citation, and then after that click the big A, then classic view. After that use Ctrl+A, then choose 3 or 4 any multiple references. Then after that go here. If you go directly here, it will take only the first paper or the first author. So you have to go here and choose multiple sources. Then after that, as it is shown here, it has chosen 3 references, then OK. So you see 3 authors or 3 papers are cited in this in-text citation. Still now we have seen the desktop version of Zotero, which means it is local. It is not possible to open some other computer and use for this referencing and bibliography. So to do that, there is one thing you have to do, which we call it syncing. To do this syncing, you have to go to the zotero.org and you have to create account, like a free account. You have to register like this here. Then finally, after registering, it is possible to log in, then log into your Zotero online library. Now it is possible to open your library from anywhere and from any computer. So you have to give your details and sign in. Then after that you will access your library. So as just shown here, this is my web library, which means I can access it from anywhere and from any computer. So I previously created here all the folders and files are also displayed here. Journal 1, Journal 2, my library. And if I select all and keep them here in Journal 1, so it will be available here. So if I open it here from my online library, I will also find all the details here. If I just delete them from this library, it will also move to trash in this my online library. See, it will take some time. You see, nothing is there in my library now. all moved to trash like this. So if I recover it, select or right click here, then restore library. Then if I check the library, I'll find all the restored references. Here also, if I go there, I'll find, you see, all the restore files will be available here. So it is important to use syncing, to use the web version. You can access it from anywhere, at any time, and from any computer. The other thing is here also you can add references like what you were doing, like in this Zotero reference manager, which is a desktop version. So in this web version also you can add journals. As an example, this one is identifier, so you can add journals like previously what we have seen. Just like that procedure, you can add journals. So you can take this identifier like this and then copy, then you can go here and paste this one. So paste it here like this, then enter to search and bring the file to this document. You see it is black painted region. This is a file. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel